Welcome to ProductGo. It's Liam again. Today I'll show you how to plan tasks directly on the roadmap and visualize their dependencies. Let's get started. First, let's plan tasks directly on the roadmap board. Hover your mouse over the roadmap to find the task you want to plan. Click and drag to adjust the duration of stories, epics, and goals. You can always make edits directly on the board. Need to add more tasks or epics? Click the plus button between issues, or you can drag items from issues without epic into the roadmap. You can also rearrange tasks by dragging and dropping them to your desired position. To change the color of a task's plan date, right-click on the task and select your preferred color. This color change will also apply to the card on the story map. Need to adjust dates? Use the Options menu to clear plan dates, start dates, or due dates. Now let's manage task dependencies. Simply click and drag between tasks to create dependency lines. These lines help you visualize the critical path of your project and avoid scheduling conflicts. To remove a dependency, click on the line and choose the Remove Link icon. You can also create dependencies directly in Jira Issues. Go to the Jira Issue Details, use the Linked Issues feature, and choose the issue you want to create dependencies on. Make sure to select Block or Is Blocked By as the link type. Now, the planned tasks on your roadmap will show the dependencies. And that's how you plan tasks and manage dependencies on the ProductGo roadmap. For more detailed guides, visit our documentation. Thanks for watching.